Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We've got a shop sale going on here with miscellaneous vintage McCulloch 125 parts. There's a rear shroud, and there's a reed intake, front motor mount, starter fan housing, points, cylinder cover. There's the old Spider starter, top cover, air cleaner cover. And there's a cylinder with an oil tank, automatic oiler. I don't know what kind of shape the cylinder's in. I never tore it down. No crankshaft in it, so it may need to be re-chromed or rebored. Flywheel. And that coil is not out of a 125. That's probably previous 125. A couple of good clutches and a good cover for a starter housing. If you're into rebuilding these old Macs and need some good parts, here's just some good parts.